Imagine this. You're standing in the middle of Yellowstone National Park, enjoying the beauty of nature all around you. Maybe you're getting ready to witness the eruption of Old Faithful when suddenly the ground begins to rumble beneath your feet. The steam from the geysers turns to ash as the biggest volcanic eruption in thousands of years blasts you and the entire world to the Stone Age. Okay, maybe that last part isn't so accurate, but everything else is true. Yellowstone is a supervolcano. In fact, it is one of 12 in the world. These supervolcanoes can trigger an apocalypse if they erupt. So let's learn about them. Yellowstone National Park is home to over half of the world's geysers, including the famous Old Faithful. But its most notable feature is also its most dangerous, the supervolcano. It is actually a magma chamber system consisting of 3 different calderas, which are basically giant, deep depressions in the ground formed by collapsed magma chambers after large eruptions. All 3 calderas have produced massive explosive eruptions in the past. The largest happened about 640,000 years ago and covered an area of 2,300 square miles in ash. That's an area larger than the entire state of Vermont. In recent history, there have been 2 smaller eruptions, one about 13,000 years ago and the other just 800 years ago. Scientists say that another super eruption at Yellowstone could be devastating, not only for the United States but the entire planet. Let's see why. The Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI, was created to measure the magnitude of volcanic eruptions. On a scale of 1 to 8, a level 8 eruption is considered a supercolossal eruption. There have only been 6 of these in recorded history. To put the power of these eruptions into perspective, a level 3 eruption expels 1 million cubic feet of material. A level 6 eruption expels 1 trillion cubic feet of material. Now imagine this amount of material multiplied by 1 million. This is the amount of material ejected during a level 8 eruption. So what exactly makes an eruption a supervolcano? The answer lies in the amount of ash and tephra ejected during an eruption. Tephra is any rock fragment produced by a volcanic eruption. The amount of tephra ejected during a level 8 eruption must exceed 317 million cubic feet to qualify as a supereruption. Yellowstone is not the only supervolcano in the world. Here are 11 others that could bring humanity to its knees. Number 11. La Garita Caldera. Located in southern Colorado, the La Garita Caldera boasts the distinction of being the largest known caldera in the world. It was formed approximately 27 million years ago due to a gigantic eruption that unleashed a staggering 5,000 cubic kilometers of ash and pumice. This eruption holds the record for the most voluminous eruption in Earth's history. If it were to happen again tomorrow, the entire eastern half of the United States would be buried under ash. Number 10. Toba, Indonesia. The Toba eruption in Indonesia has captured significant attention due to its potential impact on human evolution. It occurred approximately 74,000 years ago and unleashed 2,800 cubic kilometers of ash into the atmosphere. This massive eruption led to the formation of a caldera spanning 100 kilometers in diameter. Some theories suggest that the fine ash particles released into the stratosphere may have caused global temperatures to plummet by as much as 3 degrees Celsius for several years. This dramatic climate shift is believed to have had profound effects on human populations, contributing to a genetic bottleneck that reduced the global human population to just several thousand individuals. 9. Valles Caldera. Situated in New Mexico, USA, the Valles Caldera formed approximately 6 million years ago with a series of eruptions that expelled a substantial volume of ash and pumice. The caldera spans approximately 17 by 26 kilometers and is renowned for its distinctive horseshoe shape. It serves as a prominent research site for scientists studying the geological history of the region. Number 8. Long Valley Caldera. Located in the eastern Sierra of California, the Long Valley Caldera holds significant geological importance. It was formed around 760,000 years ago by a series of eruptions that resulted in the collapse of the magma chamber. The caldera is roughly oval-shaped and spans about 5 by 10 miles. One of the notable features within the Long Valley Caldera is the Mammoth Lakes Basin, which is a group of lakes situated at the northern end of the caldera. The lakes are of volcanic origin and were formed as a result of the caldera's collapse. The Long Valley Caldera continues to be an active area of volcanic research, with ongoing studies focused on understanding its history and potential future activity. Number 7. Mount Mazama. Mount Mazama is the remnant of a massive volcano that once dominated the landscape of what is now southern Oregon. Approximately 7,700 years ago, Mount Mazama underwent a catastrophic eruption that emptied its magma chamber, leading to the formation of the now iconic Crater Lake. The eruption was so powerful that it sent an estimated 12 cubic kilometers of material into the atmosphere. Today, Crater Lake National Park preserves the remnants of Mount Mazama and offers visitors a glimpse into the region's rich volcanic history. Number 6. Campi Flegrei. Campi Flegrei, located near Naples in Italy, is a caldera formed by a series of volcanic eruptions that occurred between 3,000 and 5,000 years ago. It is known for its nearly perfect circular shape and is considered one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world. Campi Flegrei is a highly active volcanic region with frequent seismic activity and emissions of volcanic gases. Its potential to erupt poses a significant risk to the densely populated areas surrounding the caldera, including Naples, which has a population of over 4 million people. 5. Ngorongoro Crater. The Ngorongoro Crater in Tanzania is a collapsed volcanic caldera that now serves as a wildlife conservation area. It was formed approximately 3 million years ago and is home to a diverse array of animal species. The crater's steep inner walls rise up to 600 meters and encircle a flat-floored basin that is approximately 260 meters deep. The Ngorongoro Conservation Area, which includes the crater, is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is famous for its exceptional biodiversity, including the endangered black rhinoceros. Number 4. Eruption Caldera. The Eruption Caldera in Japan was formed by a series of volcanic eruptions that occurred between 20,000 and 10,000 years ago. It is located on the northern coast of the island of Kyushu and is the second largest caldera in Japan. The Eruption Peninsula, which surrounds the caldera, was formed by the accumulation of volcanic ash and pumice. The area is known for its hot springs and volcanic scenery and is a popular tourist destination. Number 3. Cerro Gallen. The Cerro Gallen supervolcano is located in Argentina and is the highest peak in the central volcanic zone of the Andes. It has a long history of volcanic activity dating back millions of years. In 1960, Cerro Gallen experienced one of the largest eruptions of the 20th century, which had significant impacts on the local and regional environment. The eruption column reached a height of over 20 kilometers and ejected an estimated 10 billion cubic meters of material. The Cerro Gallen supervolcano continues to be monitored for signs of future activity as it poses a potential threat to nearby communities and infrastructure. Number 2. Lake Kivu. Lake Kivu is a large, deep crater lake located in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It was formed by the collapse of a volcano and is shared by the countries of the DR Congo and Rwanda. The lake is known for its unique ecosystem, which supports a variety of fish species, including the famous Congo peacockfish. However, Lake Kivu also poses a potential hazard due to the presence of high levels of carbon dioxide gas in its waters. The gas is a byproduct of volcanic activity and can accumulate in dangerous quantities, potentially leading to explosions or the displacement of large numbers of people. Number 1. Taupo Volcanic Zone. The Taupo Volcanic Zone is an active volcanic region in New Zealand. It contains the largest lake in New Zealand, Lake Taupo, which was formed by a massive eruption approximately 26,500 years ago. The zone is part of the North Island Volcanic Plateau and is characterized by geothermal activity, including geysers and hot springs. The most notable feature of the Taupo Volcanic Zone is Mount Ruapehu, an active stratovolcano that has had numerous eruptions in recent history. Another significant feature is the city of Rotorua, which is known for its geothermal activity and Maori culture. Now we know that supervolcanoes exist all over our planet, some of them active, some dormant. And while it's comforting to think they won't explode anytime soon, it's best to be prepared just in case. But don't worry too much. Life will probably go on no matter what happens. After all, life found a way to thrive even after the largest mass extinction event in Earth history. Don't miss this video where we explore what caused the extinction of the dinosaurs and how mammals took over.